Right, they're putting Jack Sparrow.
Ain't be long till the other captains arrive.
Shiver me timbers! We did it! Captain Chaperone!
Parlay.
And Captain Mad Bart!
Parlay!
Ahoy, captains! You found us then. It was hard to miss you.
Though calm the waters be, your ship was rocking!
We're rocking about!
Let's get that sparkling treasure.
You've been missing one captain.
Where be that son of a jackal?
Aye?
Get yourself down here, Jack Sparrow.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
On the 8th day of the 12th month, find 4 captains of the Caribbean Sea. Parlay, they must call out, that is the key. Place thy hand on his scroll and yell out, yo-ho! Then a sparkling traveler you shall behold. Yo-ho!
Yo-ho!
Yo-ho!